Welcome back. How are you all doing today? Hope you all are having a great day. Thank you so much for stopping by today. I appreciate you all. God bless you all. And if today is your first time coming across my channel, thank you. You're welcome. I appreciate your presence. Alright, so for today's video, you all have seen it by the title. I am going to be unboxing a patio umbrella that was sent to me by an Amazon seller. All right. So they reached out to me through an email and they asked if I would like to try their umbrella. I was like, yeah, I haven't even set up my patio for a very long time. I haven't, because we tend to move around a lot, so I don't really do much when it comes to patio, because it's a lot of work packing what I have inside the house, then thinking about cleaning up the patio when we're about to move again. So I'm like, okay, I'm just gonna give it a shot this time. All right, so they sent me an umbrella. Yes, the umbrella is huge, it's big, but the thing is, the umbrella came without, it's either you have a patio set, a table, where you're going to insert the umbrella, or you find a way to do yours. So I decided to go back to Amazon and I purchased a stand that I'm going to be using to to present this umbrella to you all. We are going to go to my patio for you to see the setup. But before we do that, if today is your first time coming across my channel, please do not forget to subscribe and do turn on your notification post so as to get notified every time I have another video.
Do you believe in love? How crazy it could be, baby, stop. Take it easy.
Alright, so I'm going to be talking about this company. Like I said, they are on Amazon. The umbrella is sold for $63.99, roughly $70. And the company's name is Dalphon. I don't know if I pronounced it right, but I'll put it on the screen as usual. It's a Dalphon rectangular patio umbrella, aluminium outdoor umbrella. Market table umbrella for people that live in this area that you sell in the market. You can also use it to market your products, to cover you, to shield you from the sun. Umbrella with push button tilt, cranked and 6 sturdy ribs for lawns, garden, deck, backyard and pool. Is 6.5 by 10 feet, and they have different colors. They have beige, they have dark green, they have dark green, like I said, they have red, and also they have turquoise color. So the one I chose is the beige, because I feel like beige is kind of neutral, so I don't have to think about, I love to match stuff. That's just me. I love my things to look, all put together. So I chose when they asked me to pick the one I want, I picked the beige color, which is the one I'm going to be taking you to my patio to see how I set it up. So before we go into that, I just like to give you a little bit information more. I'm not going to be reading a whole lot of stuff for you guys to not to bore you out. I'm not to prolong this video, because we still have setup to do and presentation of the umbrella to you all, so I don't want to prolong the video. So I just wanted to let you know that this umbrella is vented, UV and water resistant, which is amazing, because it's going to be at your patio where it's going to be there. It's going to rain, come sun, come sunshine, come snow, it's going to be there. So it's a vented, UV and water resistant umbrella, and it's heavy duty aluminium pole and steel ribs. All right, that's what it's made of. It's secure with velcro straps, which you are going to be seeing when I'm setting it up, and it's easy to use. So and that's about it. Like I said, I don't want to read too much to you guys. You can also do that when you visit their website, which I'm going to be dropping the link to this products. I'll be dropping the link in my description box. If you're interested, please click on the link to support me. When you buy from my link, I get a little coin in my account. That's another way that you can support me, and I will appreciate it. All right, so let's go to my patio now and see the setup and the presentation. Welcome back. What do you all think about this setup? Is it very easy to set up? Was it too difficult? Don't forget, the stand didn't come with this. The stand I bought from Amazon. All right, I read through it and I decided to pick that. I'll also link the link of that in the description box. All right, what do you all think about the setup, and what do you all think about the presentation? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye bye.